So today is a Ninette day. We're calling it Ninette because we're gonna go to Tofu. Does anybody eat tofu? I mean, I don't know about this, but we are going to this tofu place in Portland today.
The best tofu, so
yeah. So
let's start with the best.
Hey everybody. Remember, this is a Ninette deal today.
Hey.
Ninette video. Well, I'm here to support her. I mean,
You might
you guys don't know, anyway, but I should say, welcome to Tigner Adventures. And something that you may not know is Ninette is always coming up with new ways to do things. She does everything. A lot, 90% of the stuff she does is from scratch. So she's always cooking different things and trying out new recipes of different things. And so this morning we are downtown Portland because she wants to see
make
tofu. So she's thinking that we need to get healthy.
Wow.
So we're going to check out this
Inside.
tofu school, or not school,
It's a company.
tofu company.
It's supposed to be the
but
first in the United States.
Yeah, it kind of was a little misleading, like it's the oldest tofu place. Well, they've been all over the place here.
Wow. They've moved 3 times.
Yeah, in Portland.
In probably 100 years.
And the family's kind of switched around a little too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so anyway, we're going to check it out. We are showing you the nice looking building. I don't even know who this building is, but if we actually switch this around, this is the this is the OTA Tofu store. So maybe it's the back. I don't know. We're gonna go check it out and
red
see.
Door, so.
Oh, red door. So we're
red
gonna
door.
check it out. So let's go inside and see what it's about.
It's still
And
open.
some of the things that's in there. Okay, we are going into the factory here. Oh, look. There's all the tofu over there. And they're checking it out. Hi. Oh, did ya? For today?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, he's just finishing making the unfrieds that they use for frying.
Wow.
What kind do they use for frying?
It's the ultra pressed one.
Ultra press?
Yeah, it has a little bit of baking powder in it, so it's tough when you fry it.
Do you ship out? I know I'm gonna like it. And I'm gonna be able to come back to it every once in a while.
So they start 4 a.m. in the morning and they start making the tofu blocks and everything. This is their local processing area, and there is another one that's for commercial, so they have a major commercial area. But in this one, this is just for people who come locally to do it and everything. And it's open till 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Today. So we're going to go out and do a couple little things, and then we'll come back and pick up some to take back home because we don't want to have it in the hot car and everything. This is the product that's left over once they do it, the bean curd and everything. So this is just out here. It's kind of smelly, but this is just stuff they're packing up here. And if you notice right here, this is actual animal feed that they give to the farms and things for them to take and give to the animals. So we don't know what kind of animals they're saving that for. They do have a little bit of a parking lot here. 3 cars can fit besides on the road. So not bad. We're gonna go check out some things. We are back at the tofu place. Ninette's gonna get some tofu, so let's see what she gets. So what are you gonna order?
I'm gonna do the 12 count.
Oh, okay.
Some little bit of each and some
bit of
fried. We gotta have some fried first.
So kind of like a flight of beer, but it's a flight of tofu. So she's going to get the what?
Fried.
Fried.
So they mix baking soda or baking powder in it, and then they fry it up, and I guess it puffs.
Wow.
So, and I guess you can get it unfried and then take it home and fry it.
Yeah,
We're
they're gonna
try
bring us a couple samples, so we're gonna try it before we buy, and then we're gonna buy
some. He wants
something.
to try. Soft in the middle.
Well, usually they're harder. This one happens to be
So we're trying this
softer.
out.
Yeah.
This is cooked all the way through.
It needs some sauce or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. By itself, there's not a lot of taste.
No.
Well,
I can
anyway.
make so many things to it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Soaks up the
Yeah.
Okay, she ordered 3 of the. Now what'd you do?
soft, because it's a silky.
3 soft silkies
And then
6
firm
firm and 3 extra firm. So she's heading back to get the product. So it's all fresh except for the silky.
Well, it's all fresh.
The silky is processed over at their other commercial plant and put into a commercial container, just because it's so soft that they can't pick it up to give it to us. And so the rest of it is just here, made local. Well, it's all made local, but this is just made for the local individuals to come and pick up. And she's gonna put those in some baggies for us so we can take home and we can freeze it, we can try it, and we'll just have a bunch. So 12 blocks of tofu to test out. And what they say as far as ordering, can you order stuff from them, or it's only they don't do order
just
at
have to
all?
wait until you come back.
Yeah, we have to
We
come
really
back
love
to
it,
Portland.
Then you can try different tofus in the store and see what's the closest.
Yeah.
You know what the best is.
This is fresh. The other stuff's processed. Oh, and the soft, the silky is pasteurized, where this other stuff's not pasteurized. That's why.
And the byproduct they feed it to cows and pigs, and
Yeah, it goes over to the dairy farm.
So
that's
they're
where
very
that actually
healthy.
goes to. Yep, everything gets used. All right, this is the extra soft, or the soft, so it's in a container. This is the firm, so you can push it a little bit, kind of like. This is extra firm over here. So a good mixture. So she's got her tofu, and we are ready to head home. Right? I'm looking for my keys. And we got to take this home and refrigerate some and put some of it in the freezer and things like that. So we are home. Tinette's fried up some tofu, or at least warmed it up. We have, what's the sauce?
well, it's a dumpling sauce. Soy, garlic, ginger, stuff like that. That's okay.
So we're just dipping the stuff in there, checking it out. Okay.
Frenchy.
So the frying gives it some texture, but other than that, it has no taste. So
Well, you're supposed to put
gotta
the
put
flavorings.
it with something.
You're
Yeah.
supposed to flavor it before you cook it.
Oh.
This is something that they do, I think, for people off the street. You know, can come in and have a $2 high protein meal. I mean, when it's hot and fresh.
Yeah, we're off the street, so sounds good. Anyway, so that was $2,
I think so.
but you know, it's fresh. So you can put anything with it that you want, basically.
You just gotta try a bunch of different things.
Try a bunch of different things. It's Ninette's thing. She's always trying something new. She loves those bake shows. What I've made for you today.
This is my tofu. We got our extra firm and our firm. Gonna freeze these. I'm gonna put this one in the fridge for fresh. We'll start off with that.
So if anybody's got any ideas on things we
Yeah.
can do with tofu, let us know.
Yeah. Send
So
us a recipe.
that'd be fun, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, we'll go ahead and just close the video with this then. We had a lot of fun.
Our
checking
fun
out
day
the
in Portland.
tofu. Yeah.
Oh, we had
It's
our,
always
you
fun.
didn't say anything about
Yeah.
the voodoo
Oh,
donut.
we did stop at the Voodoo Donut place.
Oh, and they're all gone, of course. Well,
but,
no, I haven't.
but Ninette got pictures.
Yes.
So, but you know, downtown Portland is
It's-
quite interesting.
Yeah.
A lot of one-way streets and
Nothing square.
nothing's square. Man, the way
Somebody
the
was
GPS
drunk when they
was
designed that.
routing us around the town there, it was like, oh, we're getting sick just driving around. But anyway, it was a lot of fun. It's fun to watch people, see what different cultures have, how things are different in different areas. It's really pretty good. It was pretty cool, and we enjoyed it. We did go to Washington Park too and just drove around. So Ninette's got some pictures of that also that we took while we drove around that. And So we had a good time in Portland, and
Yeah.
so
I don't know if I want to love this or not want to love this, because if I love this tofu, it's only here.
Yeah.
So,
we'll be back here probably in about a year, but
yeah, but,
but we're not coming back just for tofu.
but we'll know what the best is, I guess.
Yep. So we'll find out which ones we like anyway. So,
Okay.
but yeah, send us some messages or with recipes. What you use tofu for. If you like tofu, if you don't like tofu, let us know. And
He's going to be a believer soon.
I'm the guinea pig. Anyway, thanks for coming along with us. Remember, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not one of our subscribers yet. But come along with us. We have a lot of fun. So take care. See you on the next video.
Bye.